All right. We're rolling. We're rolling.
Okay, so
We're rolling.
back to a new episode, new gadget.
Bonjour.
لا ما غير بونجور تصور ما فينا نقلع الحلقة إذا
لا
ما
لا
فينا
هيك I feel that something is missing.
ليه ما بتغير لي اياها؟ واي از ات بيلت ان؟ ليه ما فينا نحط شيء موسيقى غير؟
فينا بس ولا انت ولا انا نجلد.
It's the stupidest show you could ever see.
Fine. Yeah, I'm sorry. I love it. يا ريت فينا نعمل راسنا هيك like the. Okay, today we have a great summer gadget.
Hey,
I was baby. No one likes us. Oh, heaven is a place on earth. Okay. I was shopping the other day and I found this. All right. So the Philips karaoke speaker 2000 series, right?
Philips, but it's Chinese.
No, it's everything. Right. Let me tell you what I liked about this. أول شيء, I didn't buy it with the idea إنه خلينا نعمل له unboxing, but then I found it so cool لأنه it's very summery. أول شيء it's small, right? It has lights, which nobody cares, but it works on batteries, right? And it is actually rather powerful for its size, and it comes with 2 microphones, so you can sing over the music. But then I discovered something which they don't put on the box.
Sure.
They don't put, it's not on the box.
Because it's in Chinese. How would you read
No,
it?
look, it's not on the box. The microphones have voice changers.
No way. Yeah, let's do it.
You can change your voice.
Like.
But, yes. All right. So look, it's small. It's fucking
Nice.
small. It's صغير, right? صغير, and then you see like silicone, whatever. You can see in the back you have like the USB-C to charge
Philips.
it.
أصلاً design تبعه very Philipsy.
You have very Philips.
Very Philipsy.
لا بس okay, so let's just, you have a USB-C to charge it, you have a USB port, right? An aux if you want to add your music, and you can add a card, a small SD card with your music, right? Which is cool. And then you have
Microphones.
the small microphone, which are really super cool. Yes, and also charging with USB-C, so you have on the microphone we see the power.
It's nice for kids.
No. I'm gonna have this in my bag all summer long. هلا بتشوف ليه. And then plus and minus for the volume of the microphone and the voice changer.
And I'm gonna sing all day. You will see, Salam.
Okay, so you get 2 microphones,
Singing in the
and obviously you get a USB-C and a catalog. And this one, yes, obviously it is all in Chinese, but whatever. So you turn it on. Long press, and you get, okay, so you get lights. So you have here a light button where you can change, right? You can change the way you want lights. Okay, cool, kind of cool. Not the funniest or coolest thing ever, but kind of cool, right? Then you can connect it to your phone via Bluetooth, right? And then if you go to your music app, right? So let's see. But this is okay. This is kind of powerful.
I like.
No, but I'm saying this is kind of like strong. You know what I mean? Like it's strong music.
I like this version.
Or some summer vibes, right?
Not bad.
So you can control the volume. So already we agree it has صوت قوي. And you can play with the lights. But now for the cool thing, right? So you take a microphone. It speaks in Chinese, all right? Whatever. But the point is this.
Hello.
So this is my voice. I can be singing. The sun is shining.
طب وقف الموسيقى. اوكي so نحن ما فينا نحط موسيقى لأنه copyrights.
Right? I press on this button.
And all of a sudden, my voice is kind of cooler, isn't it?
That is right.
And then now, hold on. Now, as you can see, The sun is shining. Is it? Speaking your mic. أنا الصراحة لما حط إيده. But this is not my voice.
This is my voice. I'm gonna sing this song. Yeah, please don't. Yes, I'm going to sing a song. I'm going to sing a song. Please خلاص.
في سيارة فولفو مسكرة على مرسيدس.
There's an angel contemplate my fate.
Spider-Man attack. Honestly,
Isn't this fucking cool?
مش changing it أنا ولا أنت.
You know what?
When you change on one mic, right, it changes on both mics, which is, I guess, that.
okay.
طبيب جراح قلوب الناس داويها.
كل البنات بتحبك. كل البنات حلوين.
No, isn't this cool? This is really cool. This is really cool.
This is why I'm keeping this with me all summer long.
All night long, all night. Okay, it's a cool gadget. I like it. It's fantastic. It's great. فيك تتسلى فيها كتير على البحر أو بالصالون أو بالحمام أو
فيك تتسلى كتير، فيك تدق لأصحابك.
ألو أنا خطفت لسلام لازم تدفع فدية حتى رجع لك صاحبك سلام قد ايه؟ فدية 30 دولار طلعي
ما يكون باين رقمك وقت عم تدق له.
افتح كاميرا.
Live test done with our friend Bashir.
مالا سيارة فولفو مسكرة على رينج روفر.
So guys, this is the Philips karaoke speaker 2000 series.
Yes.
إذا طفيته، إذا بتعملوا مثلي try and buy it with the actual English manual, because this one is in Chinese, but it's still very cool. And I got it in Lebanon from a cool place called Class. So if you want to find it in Lebanon, مش دافعين لنا ماشي، بس هيك عم نعطي اسمه لأنه
بس عم فكر انه اتس كول انه تدق لواحد هيك تقول له I am the devil.
بس انه دغري بيعرف هيدا سلام هيدا انت. But it's really cool because music, summer, great battery lasting, and 2 microphones and lots of fun, right?
I love it. إذا حبيتوها like, subscribe, and we'll see you
And
next
don't forget to
episode.
subscribe, and we'll see you in next episode of Arabian Unboxing. Thank you, Salam.
بعدنا إيلا. Subscribe.
Bye, guys.